Hello, y'all. This is a freehand clap gone wild, and it is clouds and rains. I did paint with the blue. I'm stuck with this blue for some reason. The clouds are this. I made these raindrops. You can barely see them out of the polygel, which this nail I made out of polygel as well. So to do it to see if it actually would do what I need it to do. So I think I'm going to go in and build some cloud on this one. What's on it? I don't know. I can't tell. But anyway, let's get ballsy. I'm going to try to make this one a really big cloud. I don't know if it's possible. If it's possible. So I've been out of this clap for a little while, but just trying to get, things in order and back order for me to get to doing more nail stuff. Because I noticed I do a lot of makeup and not enough nail stuff, or it's a little bit of both, I guess, but it's a lot. So yeah, I'm trying to balance them out, if that makes any sense, to where I can do a little bit of everything, but I'm trying to bring this down, so I don't know why I'm doing that, but I am. Okay, let's see. Oh wow, I got my brush in that mess. Well, let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna like that or not. That looks more like snow. It looks more like a snow. Let's go ahead and make a. I don't want them too big. I want to try to make a really big one on the thumb, which the thumb is not required for me to do, but as long as I got 4 nails. Come on. Come on. It didn't want to come off now. It's been setting out. It's all night, but I did start these last night so I could see actually what I was going to do. Then I watched a few videos and I'm like, I could have done that, I could have done that, I could have done that, but it is what it is, huh? Then I just maneuver it to make it look like a drop. I'm probably going to put gel over it as well. And up here on the top of that, I'll try to put another cloud or two.
Yeah.
We'll get in there with your mama. Because y'all got baths and stuff to get too. So we've been still doing spring cleaning. We did the living room. We've done the kitchen. We worked on
I need to clean up all my mess.
Misty's room today. Okay. Alright, we're going to leave that and let's go. I'm going to try to use, well, I said I was. I try to use the donut. I'm going to do a little one if I can. Let's see. Let's see if I can do that with this. Like a little one, like right up in here or something. it's going to do what I need it to do. Yeah, that's not going to work. Well, I didn't say do my thumb. That was funny. Oh, Lord. Alright, I'm going to put this nail in the lamp and let it do its thing. And then we'll try. Oh, man, I didn't want to mess it up. Come on now, quit playing. Because I was going to take the nail out. Nobody, I don't guess.
Papa?
Why are you in here messing up my video? Talking to me.
Hey, Mama.
Yeah. Made me mess up my raindrop. I probably put some gel on them. Okay, let's stick that in. Let that cure while we work on the pinky. Oh, my arm. This one I'm just going to put clouds on, I think. I think it'll be a lot easier just to do clouds on this one. What if I use let me see something really quick.
The whole bag.
Let me do this. Let me put some blooming gel on this one.
Then I can go eat dinner.
Let's see what it looks like. If it don't look right, we can always take it off. So that's the good thing about it.
Okay.
It's
I'm
not
gonna go
enough.
eat dinner. I'm going to eat dinner.
Okay. Well, it's not spreading like I wanted it to. Like I thought it would, anyway. You know how like clouds and it's doing it now. That's what I was trying to do. See how it's doing its thing? Alright, we're gonna leave that one alone, let it do its thing. See how it comes out. Okay, I'm gonna put this bad boy back in. That's the way I should have done them, but you know, it is what it is. I don't think I'm gonna put that other stuff on there because I'm gonna do another thing. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to cure this one. I think I'm just gonna pull it off because I'm scared I'm gonna mess it up and stick it in there, and then get ready to do the big one, and I'll be right back. Alright, while that's in that lamp, we're gonna do this. I just put it on this little thing here and took it off. I done put the top coat on that one. And I'm gonna experiment with this one. I'm gonna use this with that. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna find out. We better play with it. And something bit me. Listen, the mosquitoes are already starting to come out, and I'm like, come on now. I want to make a really big say that. It ain't gonna come off. Maybe it is. If it comes off, I can shape it. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God. Well, it helped get it off. This is a pretty color. Okay, then I'll get that up there in a little bit. Alright, where is... I done mopped that water up. Oh, freaking snowing. Let's see what it does. I'm just curious. I mean, because I ain't really got to have this now. I'm just curious what it's going to do. Okay, we're going to let it sit there and do whatever the hell it's going to do. Let's see if it does anything that I would like for it to do. That looks like a, something else. What do you call it? A butterfly, maybe? That's what I'm trying to do. That polygel is sticky, 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 sticky. Oh, crackers. Alright, clean that off. And I have a mermaid nail to do. I've never done a mermaid set, and I gotta do a, what is that, oh shoot, a ladybug. I'm gonna try to craft out my ladybug. That's what I'm gonna try to do. That's pretty. I like that a lot. Alright, now this one here has been top coated, and the top coat that I am using, it is a sticky top coat, because that's what I have on hand in my face. So that means I have to wipe it off. Oh, I can feel the dots, the dots, the dots, the dots, the dots. Alright, let's put this bad boy in. Let him do his thing, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hit the like and subscribe button. Let me go. Tell me what you think. Let's take off that sticky layer. Then that looks pretty cool. I don't know if you can call it rain or raindrops, but yeah. That is the end. Like I said, if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hit the like and subscribe button and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. There is more to come. And, yeah. And I'll just get ready to put this up and get everything that I need out to get started on my... I have a black and white I have to do. And I'm going to do that one first, because that's going to be easy. Until the next video, peace out. Love you. Bye.